As you can see, we just got to Circle 7 used parts. Something that happened quite a while ago, as I'm actually embarrassed to say how long ago, is I broke off the window winding mechanism, the arm on my car, on the Ford. So I just got to Circle 7 used parts. We showed the other day. It seems that they do have one in stock, or a Figo that they're stripping. So I'm going to jump out quickly and see if they do still have it in stock, and then I will just want to see how they get to removing it. And then once I get home, I will show you guys the process of replacing that window winding mechanism. So we're going to go inside quickly and see if we can get some tips on how to replace it. The part is acquired. Now it's for us to go home and to struggle to put this in. So we'll see on the next clip when we put this into the car. Let's go. We just got home with the new window winder. As you can see, mine is snapped off. So we are just gonna give this one a quick little clean, and then we're gonna attempt to put it into the car so I can get my window back to working. Okay, so I just got myself a nice wet rag. It isn't really too dirty. I just want to clean up all this old dust and stuff off of this, and then we can throw it back into the car, hopefully with no real struggles, because I need to do this within like an hour before I need to leave. So let's see if I can install the new window winder mechanism without taking too long. A nice wipe down. It's pretty much all the bolt up dust down. Now I'm going to show you guys how to take apart the door so we can get this one fitted. Okay, so to take off your door panel, it's pretty easy. There is 3 screws. You'll see there's one right over there. Then you have to unclip this little pin there. There's a screw there, and then there's one behind that little holder of the door handle. You take off the windshield cap as well, and then you can take off the door panel. Okay, now that we have the door panel off, you will need 10 more screws, but it seems I'm going to have to take off this weather stripping that they put on. It keeps the wind and the air out of the car, so I will loosen up the silicone quick, and then we'll use our 10 mil to loosen the bolts for the window winder. Once you have your 10 mil, I'm going to go ahead and loosen once we get underneath. We are going to stick this back once we are done. First loosen this black one. If your car has the weatherproofing in. Star screwdriver. That is where the little cup sits. Put those together. And that will reveal the bolts we need to loosen, which is these over here. First 3. just want to look. Okay, so you wind down the window to reveal those two bolts on the window itself, which are not 10 mils. Okay, so these are two 8mm bolts, nuts, whatever you want to call them. Just be careful to like hold the window, because I think this is going to make the window drop down. Once they're out, should be able to get someone to help you, and then you can pick up the glass. Just move up the glass and then carefully remove your window. Okay, and then you should be able to take out the full mechanism. Like so. So now I just want to see what parts you need to transfer. I don't think there are any. But let's get this one in. We need to wind the other one down to the same height. Okay, I don't think you actually need to wind it down. You can just end up putting it in. We'll just slide in the window glass. Just add these so you have something to tension. Now we want to line up these top two screws. Put their screws on. Bottom one. And then the next thing we're going to do is to slide back in the window, just so we can make sure that it's in the groove of where it needs to rest. Now we can slide back in the window. So we got all the bolts in, we got the window back tightened up, you saw everything we did. Just make sure that your bolts are nice and tight. We're just going to put some grease on the back of the slider, and then I'll be putting back this little black handle that holds the door frame, and we'll also be putting some silicone around this entire edge just to make sure that it weather seals again. You can see how much dust collects on the inside of the car. Okay, so I don't have black silicone, so I'm using grey silicone. I'm also going to use some tape just to hold it down. You can see, like I said, all the dust of the years is gathered. Okay, let's move this out. So I'm just following the line of the old sealant that was there. I'm going to put some tape on and shove this back through our hole. over there, get that back through the hole over there, and then just pull it closer so we can stick it down with some tape. The door panel should squeeze and hold this in place a little bit, just so that the silicone sits nice and properly. Take off the door panel at some later stage again just to remove the tape, but for now we will have tape this way. Get your door panel. Before we do anything, I'm just going to clean this door panel a little bit. You'll see the years of dust that comes in through the window and stuff, so we'll just wipe this down and then put it back on. Okay, now I'm just going to clip back in your door release. I just clip again. Now just make sure you align all of your, and then knock it back into place. And then you put back your screws. Firstly, the screw at your door handle. So it's nice and tight. Then the bottom one. And the last one. And the inside, the one that I forgot. And then this one by the door. Little caps to seal them off. Yeah. So you'll see these have little grooves, and then it pops in the door. And this one has its directional thingy. It can actually go any way, but we'll put it in that way. And then I just want to fetch another clip for this piece right here, and then we'll be done. Got another one of these. Just slide it on in like that. Then we can clip this back into place. You just want to make sure you don't bend the tabs. On she is. Now guys, next problem, I need to find, there's a little cover plate, for those of you that know, there's a little cover plate that goes around the windshield winder, plus the little clip that clips in there. I think I put it in my cabiole, so I'm going to search for that quickly, see if I can find it. Otherwise I'm just going to put the handle on for now until I can find them. Bear with me. I managed to find this little backing plate thing that goes over there, and I have my old winder. The only thing I can't find is this little C-clip that it uses to clip the handle in place. I did put it somewhere. I'm going to go look for it. I'm not sure where it is, but if I can't find it, if any of you guys have a spare one or know where I can get one, please let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, let me slide this on. No more struggling with a freaking vice grip. So really satisfied with this, really happy that the window is back to working. As you can see on this old one, I sheared the tip right off, and then I was using a vice grip to open and close it, but now that is a thing of the past, and I have my window back to working condition. I will keep searching for that little clip until I can find it, but I'm going to take a thumbnail quickly and then I'll end off the video. Okay guys, so once again, thank you for joining in, watching another repair slash fixing video on the Ford Figo, on the modified Ford Figo. I think this is a relatively simple fix and repair. It took me all in about, I think, 25 minutes to do. It might take you a little bit longer because I just know where the screws and stuff are. so it was slightly easier for me. But yet again, I just say thank you to everyone that is subscribed, everyone that likes the videos, everyone that comments and that shares. It really does mean a lot to me. I know the Ford Figo content is more popular than the Audi content, but it's going to become a part of the channel, so hope that you guys will find inspiration from the Audi. So I really hope that you guys will start finding a liking in the Audi content as well, and whatever is to come in future. Let me know what you guys think about the cinematic videos. I never know because no one ever comments on them, but yeah, please just remember to subscribe. Stay tuned because there's still a lot of stuff that needs to happen, especially to the Audi, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Memphis, man.